Hello friends, so we start the new lecture of our Revit. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the structure. Structure is here. When you will click on the structure tab, there is a column, wall, beam and everything is here. So we will start from the footing. Okay. Before that we will understand about the levels, means we have floor plan in architecture, okay, and we have in structures also, okay, in 2025. So suppose I am selecting in structure part, so it will be visible here. So now take isolated footing, okay. In isolated footing there is a footing 1800 by 1200, okay. If you need, you can make duplicate, okay, any size you want, so you can take here. I am doing f1 only, okay, and size I can change from here. Now I'm not changing any size, and okay. So duplicate footing I am taking. If you have grid here, so automatically you can put on the grid. Suppose I have grid, okay. So if you have grid and you want to put on the grid, then you can easily put here, take here at grid, select grid, automatically it will come here and finish. You understand? And if you do not have any grid, so you can put directly and you can adjust wherever you want, okay, like I'm putting here. So now this is the footing. I'll check in which level this footing is created. I made in level 1, but when I'll go elevation and I east, see here, okay. Now you can see here level 1, and this footing is down to the level 1. If you want, so means you have to create first level and you have to keep here the, means where you are just going to create the foundation. After that what you can do, if there is in down, select this one, select all SA, okay. You can give here the offset value, okay. Suppose I am giving here 450, so the footing will be upside. So it's depend up to you that where you want, down or, okay. So according to that you can give the name of this level, okay. Suppose I'm doing foundation or footing level, got it. Now in these footings, okay, we need our column. So you can see here you can change everything, yeah. The dimension, material also we can do. If we need to create, you can create in family also. So in this footing we have the different kind of footings, okay. Suppose I'm selecting this one, go to edit type, load, okay, and go here foundation. See, these are the footings. Whatever footing I need I can take from here, okay. Suppose I'm taking this one, to pile, okay. Now see, and when you will go here, you see, so this is a pile foundation, this is a simple isolated footing, okay. So you can convert like this. Again when you will go into the structure, so you will see like this, it will be visible. You can take your drawing anywhere. Now you have column here in structure, go here. There is a different kind of columns we have in steel and concrete. So I'm taking this concrete, okay. If you want to put, you can put here directly, okay. And if you you can put directly, no problem. But the thing is, I put this column here. Now I have to see where is this column actually. You see this column is here in down and this footing in down. So what we can do here, in this case I put this one. Now in this I need to make the column in this footing. So go to the here structure, go to the column and make here height, okay. So the 2500 will be the height. Now if you will put here, check to the level, so this is the height, okay. And the second thing is, select this column, you can make here, means this is 2500 is, okay, and top level is footing level. So now is level 2, I am doing level 2, okay. So directly is coming here is 25 here offset, so make it 0, got it. Now your footing is perfect. So like this you can give the footing, like this you can give the column. Now we will go here towards to the beam. Okay, so beam is here. Now here is the steel concrete, there is no concrete beam, steel beam. So go here and load from here in the family, US, go to the framing. Where is the framing? And the viewers is, I hope you understand this. It's very simple and basic tutorial of structure. For more tutorials you can check my YouTube. There is a lot of knowledge of Revit you can get from there. This is framing and concrete rectangular. Okay, now take here to the concrete and okay. Now this is the beam size, you can change here the beam size also and go here. Now suppose from here to here you need beam, but now you created the beam here, but the thing is, see, go here, the beam is coming in down, you can check here, this is okay, I need here, so you have to create your beam upside maybe, or the second thing is you can make the offset also from here. Suppose what is the 3600 we have, so make it here 3600. Okay, so the column is here, the top part we can create the slab here. Okay, so mm, okay, don't do this one, we will do the next in when we are doing the slab. So now I made this beam here. Okay, when you will go in a structure, suppose I'm taking the beam, but the level is not, means I need the level second level of the beam, so you can take from here, go, the beam not showing because the beam are down to the level. Okay, so we can change the this one also, but we are not going to change. We can go to the architecture level, it is visible here. Okay, go here and wherever you want you can put your beam. Okay, go to structure level, this is the beam is showing here, go to the elevation, now your beam is this one. Okay, if you have any column and anything, so you can put the beam on that. Okay, in 3D also you can do, and if you have any architectural plan of AutoCAD you can import and you can tag that as a structure drawing. So I hope you understand beam, column and footing. So that one you need to create in your drawing. Okay, the basic structure we will import any document and we will make the structure for that. Okay, in next video we'll go to the advanced level of this structure. Keep watching, keep learning.